Alright guys, today I'm going to install a TRZ rear sway bar for 4th gen F-body. I'm not sure what year this is, 98 to 02 F-body Camaro. It's got a Moser 12 bolt in it. So here's the TRZ sway bar instructions. As you can see, this bolts on where the upper brace crosses the body on an F-body, and then it comes with a new panhard bar here. So pretty sweet kit. These are the arms that the links that drop down. Here's the tabs that weld the rear end. This does have a Moser 12 bolt in it, so machining on these is pretty awesome. Got their logo engraved in there. And here's the car. So Moser 12 bolt, this gets replaced, and then that upper piece bolts in up here and goes across. So let's get started. All right, so first modification is I had to grind this body lip right here down about 1/8 of an inch, so the TRZ plate that bolts up here with these 3 bolts will sit flat. This right here, as you can see, it hangs out, so you got to grind the body down. So I ground that down, I'll throw some paint on there. And then this side uses both these holes with the factory bolt, so I'll throw some paint up there, stick that up, bolt it in, and move on to the next step. All right, so right now, tire over here is just outside about a 1/2 inch of the wheel well. So we'll come over here to the other side. You can see this one is inside of the wheel well, so we'll have to adjust that bar, move that rear end a little bit over. All right, so I got the panhard all adjusted. So what I did is I put this level on the side of the wheel here on the tire. You can see about 1/8 inch clearance there, and then go to the other side, about 1/8 inch here also. So rear end's pretty center. I'm going to pick it back up and lock that down. All right, so the rear sway bars, anti-roll bar, is on. I set it on these blocks to get it up off the ground, get it at ride height, and then I came under here and I threaded these in all the way, and then each end I turned out 3 threads and locked it down on both sides, so I know that those adjusters here are both the same length. And then I leveled out this rear anti-roll bar so it's parallel with the ground, this arm, and that's how I got where the top is sitting on the housing. And then I ground the paint off, welded them on. It's hard to see up in there. I'm gonna pick it back up and finish weld it, and then we're gonna put some grease in here and them zerts, and the anti-roll bar is done. Now once the driver's here, I'll have him get in the car, and then I'll set these arms. So basically when he's sitting in the car, there's no preload on either side. You pull a bolt out and then adjust it so the bolt slides in and out easily with him in the car, and then that's 0 preload on that anti-roll bar, and that's how I like to set it up. So looking good. Install wasn't bad. It came with new bolts for here, which is pretty nice. So it's all powder coated. Install was pretty easy. On to the next project.